our most distinguished guest, our District Supervisor, Ma'am Andrea A. Ramos, Proactive Teacher in Charge, Sir Nelson C. Guillermo, patient teachers of our alma mater, equally supportive barangay and PD officials, loving parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a blessed morning to all of you. It is indeed an honor for me to welcome all of you to the in this very significant occasion, the graduation ceremony of Dadak Elementary School. But today, on April 15, 2025, marks a significant and unforgettable day in our lives. We have completed the first step of our educational ladder on this momentous event. We, the candidates for graduation, are happy and excited to receive the symbol of our accomplishments, the fruit of our sacrifices during our 6 years of stay in this institution that has honed us. The years Rob spent beneath its wings are truly memorable. On behalf of my fellow candidates for graduation, I am therefore pleased to welcome all of you to the celebration of our great success. Let us all together fill this remarkable event with rejoicing and thanksgiving. Once again, my warmest welcome and blessed morning to all.
To do the honors of